Guys, new economic data out that is actually a bit concerning. Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve recently came out and said that they were going to slow down rate hikes in December 2022. Now, reports just came out that have people questioning what is going on with inflation, and things are really under control. We're in a lot more trouble than everyone is, right? So disclaimer, I'm not financial advisor, this education purposes. I'm about to tell you how Cardano just destroyed every single crypto, so let's get straight in. So guys, let's start off over at Bitpanda. Now, we're talking about Bitcoin mining difficulties. The difficulty of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin indicates how difficult a time consuming it is to find the RAS hash for each block. Read this whole article. You'll actually see a lot of content about this. Now, it's measurement unit used in process of Bitcoin mining. All right, that's what mining difficulty is. You can click here and watch this 3-minute video to have a more in-depth, but I'm just giving you the overview. All right, the difficulty indicates how difficult it is to solve a complex cryptographic puzzle. Now, the mining new units increases or decreases over time depending on the number of miners in the network, and it increases in difficulty that is necessary in order to keep the target block time. It's super hard to get in there with every single hash and solve every cryptographic puzzle. It just is not fast enough. It is not more efficient. Okay, so that's what they call the difficulty in Bitcoin mining, the difficulty in mining. Okay, to maintain it, it takes the process one block around 10 minutes. Difficult has to be adjusted periodically during that. Okay, now that's an average time. Now that leads me straight over to bncrypto.com. That's BEINcrypto.com. All right, where we're going to talk about Cardano. Now, the blockchain platform is a proof stake platform created by Charles Hoskinson. Okay, and the price has been falling since reaching an all-time high of $3.10 on August 2021. The drop led to a $0.29 drop. Now, that was in November 2021. Okay, the horizontal support area is around 0.35. We're going to look at the chart in a second, but what I want to point out to you, there is the decrease in invalidated a bullish divergence in the weekly RSI. Okay, it's another sign that the continuation of decline. If the downward movement continues, then the next closest support area would be around the $0.15. You can see it on this chart here, but I'm going to jump over to CoinMarketCap very, very soon. What I want to point out is, will Cardano bounce? All right, you've got to go through this whole article if you don't understand how to read the charts already. I'm not here to teach you how to read the charts. This will give you a big overview of what's actually going on. But I just want to state for you, okay, I think Cardano is in a very unique position where we could dollar average our way back up. So like it says, there's two possibilities for the bottom. All right, the wave count provides two possibilities. Both suggest that the ADA price is in the fifth and final wave of the long-term movement. I personally think it's in the last part of the downward movement too. Now, the first count suggests ADA price is completing the fifth wave. Okay, it suggests the bottom is very close. Let's jump over to CoinMarketCap and have a look. As you can see here we have started to consolidate a bit at the bottom here. This is what happens when you're taking a big L. All right, things are starting to drop. As you can see here, these drops with some big news this month, it's sort of consolidating. So this is where I think we're going to start our push up with Cardano. Jumping on to some more exciting news over at investors.com. Now, Bitcoin has retreated after rising as high as 17,300. The currency hovered around 16,900 level Thursday afternoon after climbing 2.5% on Wednesday. Okay, and if you go through this article, it's going to tell you a little bit more about price action of Bitcoin. It's going to tell you a little bit more about the price action of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Okay, but looking at it as a whole, all right, we've got Bitcoin on 1 week return nearly up 1%, Ethereum moving up, Tether, every single crypto here is doing okay. All right, a bit of market capitalization here with a couple of billions. Now, if you carry on going down, what you'll see is the ETF performance. Okay, things are looking good. Same with the NFTs right now. You got Bored Ape Yacht Club #1 hitting at 104,000. All right, we are seeing some different collections coming into the top 10s here, but that's good. That's the 24 hours looking at the all right, still got audio glyphs at the top there, killing it. So crypto is starting to make some moves. FTX bankruptcy continued to rattle the markets, of course, and beginning of the month prior to unraveling the FT, Ethereum's holding about 1,270 like we showed. It's really good. It's up 0.82% today, 4.5% on Wednesday. The number 2 crypto traded above 1.6 thousand prior to the FTX crash as well. Now guys, that's it from me. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on and how big Cardano is actually affecting this market. All right, dollar cost average is my favorite way to trade, so please do your own research on that as well. Let me know in the comments if you like this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.